What's up, everyone? If you've forgotten your iPhone passcode and can't get into your device, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to unlock your iPhone without the passcode using methods that work on 3 different iPhone models. I'll walk you through every step on screen, so just follow along carefully and don't skip any part of the video. I'll also show you the results so you can see exactly how the process works before trying it on your own iPhone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with someone who might need it. And if one method doesn't work for your iPhone, just leave a comment with your iPhone model and iOS version, and I'll do my best to help you find the right solution. Now, let's get started.
When my days end, I might just fall in love. I know the DJ and I love this song. Me and you and the night feel so young. Every single moment has led up to this one. Whoa, did the stars align? Whoa, maybe it's a sign. We should do tonight again, even in another lifetime. Baby, then, and let's do tonight again. Those wicked problems are evaporating. Baby, I'm just guessing, but I've got a feeling. Whoa, we could dance all night. Whoa, not the end of time. We could do tonight again, even in another lifetime. Baby, then, and let's do tonight again. Rewind until daylight. Repeat, rewind, and put your hands up. Oh, keep those hands up for tonight.